co-location services. This module describes outsourcing concepts and services, meaning of co-location services, benefits of co-location services, and features of Saudi telecom company STC co-location services. This course is specially designed for Saudi telecom company professionals to comprehend the Saudi telecom company services. Hi everybody, look at this graphic. What flicks in your mind? Yes, the entire process and functions are handled within the company. This is called insourcing. Insourcing can be defined as the scenario where an organization develops a project or manages a function using the already existing resources by relocating employees from a department to another, or from a project to another, or to hire new qualified staff. The intent of insourcing is to create the dedicated core team and ensure that it works productively in complete alignment with the client's methods and expectations and ensure optimal output. Insourcing raises a lot of issues regarding recruiting, hiring specialists, licenses that might be needed, space, and obviously the costs that would be implied by hiring of new staff members, monthly salary, taxes, and employee benefits. Outsourcing concept and services. Now, come to the outsourcing concept. Can you observe the changes? Some of the functions or set of activities, here we say network and operators team activities, are handed over to a third party. This is called outsourcing. Outsourcing denotes that the company hands over the non-core functions to a third party, and at the same time, they want to focus on the core activities of the company. The third party takes responsibility for performing these activities and deals with all supply and resource related issues. The activities may consist of providing a complete service. Alternatively, it may be limited to particular services. Outsourcing can offer greater budget flexibility and control. Outsourcing lets organizations pay for only the services they need when they need them. It also reduces the need to hire and train specialized staff, brings in fresh engineering expertise, and reduces capital and operating expenses. Why outsourcing? Owning a server brings along responsibilities. And if you own many servers, the responsibilities often become bigger than you can handle. Not only you need to maintain them and monitor their performance, you also need to ensure that they perform optimally. Privately owned servers bring in several benefits. However, the complexity of server management is something that often deters organizations from investing in them. This is where outsourcing comes in. What is co-location? A co-location center is a type of data center where equipment, space, and bandwidth are available for rental to retail customers. Co-location facilities provide space, power, cooling, and physical security for the server, storage, and networking equipment of other firms and connect them to a variety of telecommunications and network service providers with a minimum of cost and complexity. Co-location features. Co-location center provides a great number of benefits for business. It includes physical security, information and power backups, cooling system, economic advantages, and so on. Click on the hotspots. Cooling systems. Technology, especially computers and servers, generate a great deal of heat, especially when they're used for extended periods of time. When a large number of these servers are housed in a single building, they create even more heat. Because of this, co-location facilities provide powerful air conditioning systems that help keep the air appropriately cool and moisture-free. Information and power backups. Co-location facilities provide a vast array of backup strategies to thoroughly ensure the security of each business information and service. First, these centers use several types of power backups, including batteries and diesel generators, which take effect when power outages occur. Secondly, co-location facilities employ redundant systems that create a series of backups for all the information stored on the servers. Finally, These centers employ full-time engineers who are ready to assist if any power or connectivity issues arise. Physical security. The co-location center's building is extremely secure, typically providing lockable cabinets or cages surrounding each business server's rack. In addition, most facilities offer video surveillance, security with access granted based on identification, and real-time monitoring by security agents on closed-circuit televisions. Some of the most secure and high-tech centers even use fingerprint and voice recognition software to grant entry into the building. Co-location facilities also employ some of the most sophisticated smoke detectors and sprinkler systems in the event of a fire.